Have you ever faced the dreaded password reset key error in WordPress? Don't worry, today we'll dive deep into why this error occurs and explore all possible ways to fix it step by step. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have the confidence to tackle this error like a pro. This error usually pops up when trying to reset your WordPress password and is caused by database issues, corrupted files, or server-side problems. It looks something like this. Could not save password reset key to the database. Let's break down the solutions. Solution 1. Check and repair your database. The most common cause is a corrupted database. Here's how to repair it. Log in to your hosting cPanel and navigate to phpMyAdmin. Select your WordPress database. Click the Check All box and choose Repair Table from the drop-down menu. This process fixes database issues that might prevent password reset keys from being saved. Solution 2. Update your WordPress site URL. Sometimes, mismatched site URLs in your WordPress configuration can cause errors. Here's how to fix it. Access your site via FTP or your hosting file manager. Locate and edit the wp-config.php file. Add these lines. Replace your site.com with your actual site URL. Save and upload the file. Solution 3. Clear cookies and cache. Browser cache or cookies can interfere with password reset functions. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Try resetting your password again. This simple step often resolves the issue. Solution 4. Disable conflicting plugins. Conflicting plugins can also be the culprit. Here's what to do. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section. Deactivate all plugins and try resetting the password. If it works, reactivate plugins one by one to find the conflicting plugin. Solution 5. Update WordPress core files. Outdated or corrupted core files can cause this error. Update them manually. Download the latest WordPress version from wordpress.org. Extract the files and upload them to your site via FTP. Replace all files except the WP content folder and the wp-config.php file. Solution 6. Increase database storage limits. If your database is full, the password reset key can't be saved. Check and increase the storage limits in your hosting dashboard or upgrade your hosting plan if needed. Solution 7. Reset password manually. When all else fails, you can reset the password directly in the database. Open phpMyAdmin and go to the wp_users table. Locate your username and edit it. Update the user_pass field using MD5 encryption for your new password. Solution 8. Contact your hosting provider. If none of these solutions work, it could be a server issue. Contact your hosting provider to check server logs and configurations. And there you have it. 8 ways to fix the password reset key error in WordPress. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.